This week, momentum has clearly intensified at Spotify Camp Nou. Facade installation is accelerating, new structural elements are rising, and several exterior sections are beginning to look nearly complete. After weeks of steady but measured progress, the pace now feels different. In this update, we focus on rapid slat installation, elevator core advancement, glazing and concrete finishing, radial beam preparations, and why this phase may represent a turning point in the stadium's exterior evolution. The most dramatic visual acceleration is happening with facade slat installation. Entire upper corner segments that were previously empty are now partially filled within days. Stable weather conditions have supported crane efficiency and safe lifting operations. The spacing between slats, though debated by some observers, is intentional. Designed for airflow, reduced wind load, thermal performance, and preservation of the stadium's open Mediterranean character. This facade is engineered to breathe, not to seal the structure like a closed arena. Roof structure preparations are quietly advancing. Scaffolding adjustments suggest upcoming radial beam and compression ring connections. A lifting container was hoisted toward the upper cantilever zone, likely carrying connection hardware. Large structural elements remain staged at ground level, ready for installation. Each new radial beam strengthens the future compression ring, the structural backbone of the roof system. Activity remains strong in the Tribune sector, where vertical elevator cores continue progressing. These reinforced concrete towers will house lifts, stairs, and technical systems essential for internal circulation. Protective white fire-resistant coating is being applied to exposed steel, signaling preparation for final enclosure. Inside scaffolded zones, crews are refining multi-level structural work, moving from heavy assembly toward finishing stages with steady, controlled precision. In the commercial diamond corner areas, glazing installation is nearly complete, with only minor upper panels remaining. Floor surfaces are now being polished using power trowel helicopters, indicating a transition from structural groundwork to finishing phases. These zones are steadily transforming from raw construction areas into functional public spaces ready for interior fit-out. The south goal sector continues advancing its enclosure. Insulated sandwich panels have reached the level of the first cantilever, marking significant vertical progress. Installation follows a disciplined sequence: steel framing, diagonal bracing, anchor tightening, and panel placement. Structural anchors are now being permanently secured, confirming long-term fixation before upward expansion continues. In the north goal sector, new steel slat supports have arrived and installation is expanding into additional sections. Insulation rock wool is being placed above glazing lines, with finishing trims already installed. Stair towers are structurally advanced, exterior beams secured, and concrete panels staged for placement. Once sandwich panels begin here, enclosure progress is expected to accelerate rapidly. Prefabricated seating elements continue to be installed, while construction debris removal increases, a strong indicator of transition toward finishing phases. Stepping back, the transformation is unmistakable. Multiple slat sectors are now defined, vertical cores are closing, sandwich panels are rising, and roof support structures are preparing for integration. Key elements to monitor in the coming weeks include expansion of slat installation into new sectors, completion of diagonal bracing in the north goal, concrete panel placement on advanced stair towers, and additional radial beam lifts. If the current pace continues, facade completion could accelerate further. Spotify Camp Nou is entering a visually decisive stage. Structural systems are stabilizing, the facade is defining its character, and the full scale of the redevelopment is becoming increasingly evident. Each week, the stadium looks less like a construction site and more like a future architectural icon.